Finally, the QZ80 device was launched from the German company Vogel, which everyone has been waiting for a long time, which is the deepest and most accurate for detecting metals and deep treasures. The device is equipped with the latest detection technologies and advanced systems, which the Vogel Research Center has worked on in cooperation with the MWF Group for many years. This video includes a detailed explanation of the device and includes the following: features of the device and the technologies it contains. The QZ80 device works with the UAF system. It is a new technology that adopts ultra-compliant search frequencies built into the ultra-low frequency system UVLF to detect gold, metals, and caves with high accuracy, with the feature of distinguishing between targets and isolating unwanted targets. Through the 3.5-inch screen, you can browse the systems and access the search options in an easy and fast way. It contains 4 different systems that give the user wide options in multiple ways to ensure the presence and type of the target. The device can adapt and calibrate accurately in all types of soils, even if they are rocky and mountainous. Through the process of accurate analysis of the type of soil, where it can determine the target with high accuracy and exclude non-precious metals with the feature of setting a mask to ignore unwanted targets. You can reach unprecedented depths. QZ80 device. Device parts and accessories. A bag for keeping and carrying the device. The main unit of the device. Cover to protect the main unit. Search coil 33 cm DD. Search coil 20 cm DD. The shaft for carrying the coil. Armrest casing, headphones, the electric charger, 3 years warranty card, tutorials mini DVD, user's guide, installation method. First, opening the shaft and install the coil in this way. Then connect the search coil cable with the main unit via the socket. Then install the main unit in this way. After that, turn on the device in this way. Keypad and control interface. On and off switch. Menu and back key. Enter button and pinpointer short key. Navigation keys. Short key for calibration. How to operate and set up. First, turn on the device via the power key. The QZ80 logo will appear during the loading of the operating system. Note, when you turn on the device and have not connected the coil, a message will appear on the screen stating that the coil must be connected. Connect the coil and restart the device again. Then the main menu will appear. Adjust the device through the settings menu, where you can select the volume level and screen brightness level. Choose the language of use, as the device contains 6 basic languages: German, English, French, Spanish, Russian, Arabic. And you can reset all options through factory settings easily. We move to the search menu, from which you can choose search settings or search modes. Search settings. You can turn on or off the iron isolate feature. Then select sensitivity level according to the type of soil and the nature of the land. Then determine the level of stability gain for the coil, where the level of gain can be reduced in case of instability of the sensor depending on the type of soil. Calibration method. Calibrate the device by pressing the calibration key and then following the instructions on the screen, where you must lift the disc from the surface of the soil 10 centimeters and move it right and left in this way until you see a message, calibration has been done. Device search method. The correct way to carry the device is as we see. The device is 5 centimeters high from the soil, and we comb the target area by moving the search coil according to the search pattern, slowly or quickly, while keeping the parallelism of the search coil with the soil and keeping the sufficient distance as shown in the video. Search mode. First, general search mode, for which you can search for metals or valuable target, and this is a slow and accurate search mode. The results appear in this style in a graphical way that expresses the type of target and the extent of its signal strength with sound alerts. Second, treasures mode. This mode shows you the type of the detected target, mineral, valuable target, gold, zinc, or worthless target, through sound alerts and on-screen graphs. Third, coins mode. This pattern is a quick search pattern, as it detects buried coins and determines their type with high accuracy. Through it, you can activate or exclude a specific type of metals, which is divided according to the magnetic intensity of the target from -90 to +90 within 4 groups such as iron, useless metals, gold and zinc, and valuable metals. We can activate or cancel the sensitivity of each target or group through 3 levels of sensitivity, where you move through the selection triangle to the target group to be isolated or activated and press enter in this way. For example, here we have isolated all targets except for gold. We note that the device senses gold and does not sense iron. We're now activating iron and non-precious metals. Now we notice that the device senses iron and non-precious metal with gold. The device was provided with the feature of manual adjustment of the search values to get rid of the instability of the device after performing the calibration as a result of several factors affecting the search coil, including normal and abnormal ones. This is done by pressing and holding the menu button until the search values are selected in gray as we see. The transition between these values is done by pressing the menu button, and to change the value, we press the transition buttons. Search parameters. Basic mode 0, where the response to the presence of the target is shown by the numeric value and the difference by the alert tone. The second mode, 1. The response is shown by the numerical value in addition to the overlay of 2 alert tones, the discrimination tone and the tone associated with the intensity of the signal, thus, the distance of the target from the search coil. 2. Calibration. We change the value from 0 to 20 until the device is stable, thus obtaining the correct magnetic harmonic. 3. Metallic soil. We have 6 different values for soil, according to the percentage of mineral mixture in it. We change its value in proportion to the soil to increase the stability of the device so that the nature of the soil affects its stability. 4. RX gain, which increases the signal to noise ratio according to 9 levels so as to increase the stability of the device. 5. Sensitivity. Raising or decreasing the sensitivity according to 20 levels also helps in stabilizing the signal. 6. Threshold. It contains 20 threshold levels, where increasing or decreasing the sensitivity threshold affects the stability of the research. This style is also equipped with a pinpointer feature. You can activate this feature through the pinpoint keys on the keypad. Pinpointer, which gives you accurate identification of the target point. Fourth, depth mode. Through this pattern, you can determine the depth of the target that was discovered through the previous patterns, where you must slowly scan the area in which the target is located in this way and measure the distance since the beginning of the sensing and alert until the sensing and alarm stops. Then enter the resulting distance on the screen show with centimeters. The device analyzes the information and shows the result of the expected depth. Now we will do a practical experiment that shows the depths which the QZ80 device detects target. We now see a target from a medium-sized copper vessel that was placed at a distance of more than 1.5 meters.
Okay.
And we note from the readings of the device that the target was detected easily and its type was distinguished with high accuracy through the readings displayed on the screen and alerting sounds.
Check out. Inside.
Here we do another experience on the beach, where our team experimented with searching for small pieces of precious metals or gold on the beach. Looks like a target has been discovered. The device points to the gold medal. Confirm the target location again. Yes, it is a bracelet of gold. We have discovered a golden bracelet. Finally, we advise you to have an exciting experience with the QZ80 device and start hunting for deep treasures and achieving your dreams.